We still there road top. I hope say my mic they sound better. Yeah, they sound better.
Look at this man.
So far so good. A day here plus I'm just a man, then road master. So this is going to be the first road trip. We decided to go 210-kilometer round trip, which I'm going to reveal the location of where we are heading to in this video. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And yeah, let's enjoy. There is so much beauty here at Ayimensan, just riding through this place, looking at the mountains, the views. Come on, it's so beautiful. And mostly weekends and holidays, people come around to jog and keep fit. Charlie, it's a great experience when you are riding through this place. Even when you are driving through this place, come on, it's a great experience. You actually enjoy the view. So I finally got to the location, that's Peduasi, to meet I'm Just a Man. We are not revealing our face yet, that's why the videos are blurred, but then hopefully our faces are going to be revealed later on this channel. Yeah. You say that's how you bet, but I don't know say if you say they won't come there. Make a call on again.
Yeah, for once you say you go
We waited for Roadmaster to get here and then we continued our journey. Yeah, so when we got to Manfe roundabout, we took a short break also to make sure everyone is okay, and then yeah, we decided to continue the journey again. You're listening, you get an intercom?
Yeah.
We go prepare.
I don't know. I never tried pair past somebody before, but I for pair.
Okay. We couldn't pair with each other's comms, so we had to continue the journey without it because we are both using different devices, so we can't do the pairing. riding through this place is one of the best. Like Charlie, it's so beautiful, awesome, refreshing, peaceful, calm. Oh, name it, whatever adjective you want to use to describe this road, you will get it. Like it's a very nice atmosphere with great scenery. Oh Charlie, high and nice rough.
Awesome, bro. So we are on our way to Bonsu Echo Park, right? Yeah, Charlie. I think we have about, less than an hour to reach. Less than an hour. So Charlie, bye bye. Yes. You guys can hear me clearly because Charlie, the way my mic they make noise. Oh, okay. I think say it will be better. You will be here. You'll be able to hear me clearly. So one thing I've learned about the DJI Mini 2 is that when you are using it connected to the Osmo action cameras, noise cancellation is not available. So yeah, so that's it. I'm really enjoying this road, and I think if you are going to Kufuria and you're on a bike, see the best route to use is this part, the Coupon side. Man, Charlie, the road they go on, wow, if you ride, Charlie, you go enjoy them. Perfect, bro. Not be easy. It'll be very nice. It'll be very nice. I really enjoy this. So far, so good. Charlie, after the curve, full throttle. Oh shit. There is a car coming, bro. Okay. Oh, Charlie, more car now. Say more there. More car now. Say more there. Because I can't see what's ahead. I can't be shading. Once I steady where I see say, yeehaw! Charlie, full throttle ahead, bro. Nice. Go, 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 go. Charlie, this be one of the. Oh shit. Charlie, when I see this road, see if I upgrade my bike, hey, the speed I go. I'm out from also Wahano. Charlie, this is awesome. Hey, we have about an hour. That's nice. But I think it's going to be less than that. Listen, I'm really enjoying this part of the road, Charlie. Look at the view. It just be a car wavy shit. Let's go! Why just hits me like that? Hey, abrewako ana nyasa ana mihuno. Abreweko. Awo. Charlie, this is awesome. I really love this. I love this, bro. We have less than an hour. Let's go. Keep going, Bembolija, eyes and sound, wait for you, keep yourself off the floor, the inside, going, why is just a man is behind. Alright, you'll be coming, bro. I just say they change battery. I just say they change battery for in camera. He said in camera no they record. You get space. He said he make food.
They record but no be all.
You dey use the loop one.
The 5 minutes only.
Ah, oh okay. Hey, wait, they already did the late plenty.
The massive one all day top. Something they smell.
What they smell?
Somebody.
I think they use them. I think they use them, so.
After they use them here, it goes smell.
Why ready? To peace and love, love it in and show. We are to grow. Where I go so? You have funny with 25 movies and peace of mind. Get funny sometime. Not about my thing. Draco. Blowing down on a marijuana, baby. Spending time trading my mentals. Lovely, make I take it to the right place. Cables, I'm in the medenda.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yeah, okay, you should stop behind the car so that at least the officer will talk to you.
Ah, oh, okay.
Because you're also a motorist. You're also using the road.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah. We are heading to Bonsu Eco Park.
Where? Bunsu.
Bunsu Eco Park.
And you said what?
I said Bonsu.
What?
Bonsu.
Bunsu. It's not Bunsu.
So it's Bunsu.
It's Bunsu.
Okay.
Bunsu. Yeah, it's Bunsu. It's you.
Okay.
The last word is you. But if you are mentioning Bonsu, then it's a male name. The last word is O. Bonsu.
So Bunsu is female name.
No, Bonsu. Bonsu. It's a male name.
Oh, okay.
But that one I can't really tell. But if you mention Bonsu, it's a male name. Yeah, so the right word is Bunsu. Bunsu.
Okay.
Bunsu.
Yeah, Bunsu what?
Charlie, save your name.
All right.
In 500 meters, turn right toward Koforidua.
War with my mind, keeping it together like the grown man I am. I rise and fall, I fall and rise. Shining the bright and inconceivable, because you are to it. This my life I didn't choose. I can put my whole behind. That's my story. 'Cause I never.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
Father.
In 300 meters, turn left. Take the second left. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
On it's a danny day. You take your time out to try and be happy. Woo. Charlie. Charlie, I'm a brother off.
In 500 meters, take the first exit onto the corridor and Sutton Road.
One of them boys, got a feet them boys, and all the peas and the talking toys. Tell them to make some noise, make some noise. Everybody got something to say, just things to make. Woohoo! Just send me phone, send me how to sing. Let us know I'm very impressed and I gave my love and a lot of respect. And that boy is a mess, talking things, talking things, talking to me with a cowboy from AliExpress. That is why I was so inside. My last emotion, boy, I say what's up. right, bro. You know the try what my body wants you. You know my body wants you. Charlie, just buy a motorbike, bro. Time to run some, provide me phantom. Always a peace and comfort. If you not get tongue, maybe you go find them. When the time when we drop the anthem, we'll be a better anthem. Always a peace and comfort. If you not get tongue, maybe you go find them. When the time when we drop the anthem, we'll be a better anthem. When we feel protection, feel the young time, we're going to awesome. Another way than time. But time is a rebel. When I'm a tie, you go where you. And one thing I'm gonna tell you. Another way than time. But time is a rebel. When I'm a tie, you go where you. Yeah. Charlie, what do you do? Any money I get at the shop, if I take, and then AC5 boy, if you take, or maybe my ex, see your pussycat, see back, see the ass, hey, why now, well, you see the cat, Ajay, woo, or maybe my ex, see the pussycat, see back, see the ass, see parts. If you wind down well, you can see the cash. Cash. Hey, gaga. Cash. Gaga. Gaga. Maybe yeah. Or maybe the other side. We'll go use the other side. Wait a minute. You should say be here. What? You should say be here. Cause the
signpost, I don't want to say ahead. I will come back and
I come because I know say them get some entrance be. You say?
I will store the bill.
Charlie. We tie na hurry no. Henry. It has more to go. Make I say come pumping me there no. I don't know say if you be here or when they use another gate. But the map to know they show say another entrance day that side. Charlie, my brother rough.
So we made it to Bunsu Eco Park, and in the next video I'm going to show you the fun activities we did at the park. So follow for more, subscribe for more contents like this, and I'll see you in my next video.